The ultimate side hustle guide, easy ways to make extra cash. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something exciting to share with you. Are you looking for easy ways to make some extra cash? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we're going to present you with the ultimate side hustle guide. We've compiled a list of lucrative opportunities that can help you boost your income. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Here let me discuss the ultimate side hustle guide. Number 01 is freelancing. Discover the freedom of freelancing. Freelancing offers individuals the opportunity to embrace a lifestyle characterized by independence and flexibility. It presents a means to convert one's skills and talents into a lucrative source of income. Whether you possess expertise in writing, graphic design, programming, or any other field, and the demand for freelancers spans across diverse industries. Platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com serve as effective mediums for connecting freelancers with potential clients who require their specific skill sets. By effectively presenting a portfolio that highlights your capabilities and consistently delivering high-quality work, you can establish a sustainable and profitable freelance career, all while relishing the freedom to work from the comfort of your own home. One of the primary advantages of freelancing is the ability to manage your schedule. As a freelancer, you have the flexibility to choose the projects you want to work on and the hours you want to devote to them. This freedom allows you to strike a better work-life balance and accommodate personal commitments. Moreover, freelancing provides the opportunity to work with clients from around the world, expanding your professional network and exposing you to diverse experiences. Financially, freelancing can be highly rewarding. As a freelancer, you have the potential to set your rates and negotiate payment terms with clients. With dedication and consistent delivery of quality work, you can increase your earning potential and achieve financial stability. Additionally, freelancers often have lower overhead costs compared to traditional employment, as they typically work remotely and may not require expensive office spaces or equipment. However, freelancing offers the freedom to leverage your skills and talents to earn a living on your terms. It provides the flexibility to choose your projects, work schedule, and clients, all while enjoying the benefits of a potentially higher income and a more balanced lifestyle. Number 02 is affiliate marketing. Earn commissions by promoting products. Earning commissions through product promotion is a lucrative opportunity known as affiliate marketing. This approach allows individuals to partner with brands and promote their offerings, earning a commission for each sale they facilitate. Leading platforms such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale offer comprehensive affiliate programs covering a wide range of niches. By employing effective marketing strategies, such as creating engaging content and leveraging social media, you can generate a steady passive income while delivering value to your audience. Affiliate marketing provides several benefits. Firstly, it allows you to monetize your online presence and influence. If you have a blog, website, or active social media following, you can leverage your platform to recommend and endorse products or services that align with your audience's interests. Secondly, affiliate marketing offers flexibility in terms of the products or brands you choose to promote. You can select offerings that resonate with your audience and fit within your niche, enabling you to maintain authenticity and credibility. To excel in affiliate marketing, it is crucial to understand your audience's needs and preferences. By creating valuable content that educates, entertains, or solves problems, you can establish trust and foster a loyal following. Utilizing various marketing channels such as email newsletters, blog posts, YouTube videos, or social media posts allows you to reach a broader audience and increase the chances of generating sales. While affiliate marketing can be a profitable venture, it requires consistent effort and dedication. It is essential to continuously track and analyze your marketing campaigns to optimize your strategies and maximize conversions. By staying up to date with industry trends and consumer preferences, you can adapt your promotional efforts accordingly and stay ahead of the competition. So affiliate marketing presents an excellent opportunity to earn commissions by promoting products or services. Through strategic marketing tactics, content creation, and leveraging your online presence, you can establish a reliable stream of passive income while connecting your audience with valuable offerings. Number 03 is online tutoring, sharing knowledge and earning money. Unlock your potential as an online tutor and embark on a fulfilling journey of sharing knowledge while earning an income. If you have expertise in a specific subject, becoming an online tutor is an excellent opportunity. Platforms like Tutor.com and VIPKid provide a global reach, connecting you with students from diverse backgrounds. Whether you excel in mathematics, languages, music, or any other field, there is always a demand for proficient tutors. Online tutoring offers numerous advantages. Firstly, it allows you to make a positive impact on students' lives by helping them grasp challenging concepts, improve their skills, and achieve academic success. As an online tutor, you have the opportunity to inspire and empower learners, fostering their growth and development. Additionally, online tutoring offers flexibility in terms of scheduling. You can set your availability and choose the number of hours you wish to dedicate to tutoring, allowing you to balance your teaching responsibilities with other commitments. Moreover, online tutoring provides the convenience of working from anywhere with an internet connection. Whether you prefer the comfort of your home or enjoy traveling, you can connect with students worldwide and deliver engaging lessons through virtual platforms. This flexibility eliminates geographical barriers, expands your reach, and opens up a global network of students. To become a successful online tutor, it is essential to showcase your expertise, establish rapport with students, and deliver engaging and tailored lessons. Understanding the specific needs of each student and adapting your teaching style accordingly can greatly enhance their learning experience. Leveraging interactive tools and multimedia resources can make the learning process more dynamic and effective. Moreover, online tutoring presents a fulfilling opportunity to share your knowledge, make a positive impact on students' lives, and earn an income. Embrace the flexibility, global reach, and convenience of virtual platforms to connect with students around the world. By leveraging your teaching skills and passion for education, you can embark on a rewarding journey as an online tutor today. That wraps up our ultimate side hustle guide. We've explored freelancing, online tutoring, and e-commerce. Remember, these opportunities require dedication and effort, but they can provide you with that extra cash you're looking for. Good luck, and happy hustling! Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time.